Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be looking at general cryptocurrency market. The last 24 hours, I've seen all coins pumping front, left, and center. Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, has rallied towards $73,000 and above. Ethereum is trading above $2,300. Positive vibes is slowly returning back to the cryptocurrency market. The bears are still expecting Bitcoin to dump to lower prices. The bulls believe we're going to see higher prices. But there's extreme fear still gripping the cryptocurrency market right now. Extreme fear was still gripping the cryptocurrency market yesterday. When are we going to leave this extreme fear territory? We look at liquidation data in the cryptocurrency market, news stories going around the market. We'll talk about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. The last 1 week has seen a lot of altcoins start pumping. We have seen Rave in particular going up by 4,700%. Be careful out there, guys. You don't be FOMOing at a lot of these altcoins at the top. But if you look at general cryptocurrency market, we have seen double-digit gains across the board. Zcash is up 39%, Hype is up 29%, 24%, Dash is up 33%, Worldcoin is up 30%. It's safe to say a lot of market participants are clearly buying these altcoins right now. Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, getting to as high as $74,000. A lot of market participants are starting to see the bullish price action. But again, the bears are still expecting us to dump to lower prices. General consensus, the cryptocurrency market is that there's still one leg down. A lot of market participants are expecting what we did in 2022 to repeat itself, where we saw Bitcoin getting to $17,000 and then it consolidated for quite a while before we eventually dumped to as low as $15,000. And that's the general sentiment I'm seeing right now in the cryptocurrency market. Your favorite influencer is probably telling you that Bitcoin is near the bottom. We still have one leg down. I strongly believe, guys, we have been consolidating. Smart money has been buying. And maybe we still have one leg down. But I believe at some point in time in 2026, we are going to see Bitcoin rally towards $100,000. Maybe above that, but minimum target for 2026 is the $100,000 level. If you look at Ethereum, the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, it has gotten to as high as $2,361. If we're going to say dump to Goblin Town, guys, that dump is going to be aggressive and that dump is going to come very, very soon. But then again, if we're going to say a pump to the upside, a lot of market participants are going to be caught off guard because a lot of market participants right now are positioned on the bearish side. They're expecting lower prices. And while we're saying a lot of market participants are expecting lower prices, you have to look at sentiment right now in the cryptocurrency market. Sentiment is down. Extreme fear is gripping the cryptocurrency market. Pessimism is at the highest. According to the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, that analyzes emotion, sentiment from different sources and contributes them to one single number. Right now, there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. Yesterday there was extreme fear. Last week there was extreme fear. Last month there was extreme fear. But spent majority of 2026 in extreme fear, and I find it very, very hard to believe that we'll have extreme fear throughout the year. I know at some point in time, worst case scenario, the relief rally is going to be around the corner. At some point in time, we're going to see altcoins pump, we're going to see Bitcoin pump, and I believe we're getting very, very close to that point in time. And Bitcoin dominance, it has been rising. Bitcoin dominance at the 59.69% region. My base case scenario for Bitcoin dominance still stands. At some point in time, 2026, guys, we're going to see that big Bitcoin dominance decline. That will see Bitcoin dominance get to as low as 50%, maybe even lower than that. Bitcoin dominance has been on the decline since July of 2025 when it got to as high as 66%. Since then, Bitcoin dominance came to as low as 57%. We have been consolidating. I believe the next phase for Bitcoin dominance right now is going to be a catastrophic dump to Goblin Town, which we see altcoins pumping. We're already seeing some signs of those altcoins pumping front, left, and center. And don't be shocked, guys, when altcoins pump, they go crazy. Rave is an example. The last 24 hours, I've seen it pump 93%. The last 1 week, I've seen it pump 4,700%. So in the last 1 week, it basically went up 47x. Get used to that. You're going to see more altcoins pulling that because those altcoins went down very, very bad over the last 1.5 years. If you look at liquidation data, according to CoinGlass data, the last 24 hours, 183,000 traders were liquidated. Total liquidation is coming in around $535 million. The largest single liquidation order happened on Asta. A trader was liquidated for $12.4 million. Again, I always say, be careful out there, guys. Don't lose your hard-earned money before the main event starts. When altcoins start pumping aggressively to the moon, you will be angry that you got liquidated before the main event started. And if you look at Bitcoin's performance in the month of April, Bitcoin is doing well. Sentiment is slowly improving. And that's why we're seeing news stories slowly shift from very, very negative to some positive news going around the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin near $75,000 as Iran deal hopes sparks $400 million short squeeze. Foundry launches Zcash mining pool, notches 21% hash rate in the first month. Banks challenge White House reports on stablecoin yields. South Korea fines coin one $3.5 million, other partial business operation suspension. And SEC proposes certain crypto interface don't need to register as brokers. Michael Saylor is at it again. He bought more Bitcoin. Strategy bought 13,927 Bitcoin for around $1 billion, and their total holding now is around the 800,000 Bitcoin level. I believe this guy is going to get to $1 million at some point in time in the future. He's accumulating Bitcoin at any price. The price is going low. He doesn't care. He's buying Bitcoin. The price is going high. He doesn't care. He buys Bitcoin. I believe he's one of the few individuals that really understands Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is going to $1 million or $500,000 at some point in time in the future, I mean, nobody will ask you whether you bought at 60K or at 70K because the US government continue printing the dollar. Bitmain ramps up, Ethereum buys, pushes holdings towards 5% of total supply. Bitmain is trying to be the Michael Saylor version for Ethereum. They have been buying Ethereum at a crazy pace right now. They're almost holding 5% of the total supply. How has Bitcoin performed in Q1 of 2026? Q1 of 2026 was not very, very great for Bitcoin. Bitcoin lost 22% of its value. Ethereum lost 29% of its value in Q1 of 2026. But Q2 is turning out to be very, very positive. And Bitcoin is up 8.93% in Q2 of 2026. Ethereum is up 12.35%. If you look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, the last 7 days has seen positive price movement for almost all the coins in the top 10. Bitcoin is up 8% the last 7 days. Ethereum is up 12%. XRP is up 4%. BNB is up 2%. Solana is up 7%. Tron, the lowest gainer in the top 10, is up 1.4%. Dogecoin is up 2.8%. And Hyperliquid is up 23% over the last 7 days. Remember, guys, buying low has been the game, selling high has been the game. If you can't buy when market participants are bearish, you won't have any coins to sell when we see big, big pumps to the upside. The total cryptocurrency market cap sits around $2.49 trillion. We saw total cryptocurrency market cap hitting its 200-week moving average when we got that liquidation on the 6th of February 2026. There's always a possibility we can come back and touch the 200-week moving average. But if we're seeing a relief rally right now, one important level to watch out for will be that pump towards the $3.3 trillion level. I assume a situation where Bitcoin is having a relief rally, where Bitcoin is having a retracement rally, Bitcoin not setting new all-time highs. We see altcoins pumping to new all-time highs. We see Bitcoin dominance dumping. And the two options, total cryptocurrency market cap could go to new all-time highs, or we could see it also having a 702 retracement. But over the next few weeks, I expect more gains to come to altcoins in the cryptocurrency market. Over the next few weeks, I believe Total 2 and Total 3, we have big pumps to the upside. Total 2, that's total cryptocurrency market cap excluding Bitcoin, is back to $1 trillion. The previous all-time high for total cryptocurrency market cap excluding Bitcoin is around the $1.7 trillion level. And we have seen gold and silver stop their pump. A lot of market participants pivoted to precious metals when precious metals were going parabolic. And gold and silver have been consolidating since January of 2023. Silver currently trades around $76. Gold trades around $4,700. Gold got to as high as $5,600 for silver. It got to as high as $120. And the last few weeks also saw oil pumping aggressively to higher prices. Oil got to as high as $120. Right now, oil is trading around $92. I believe a theory that the wave is going through across all asset class, and crypto is probably going to be the final asset class to have this big parabolic run. And when crypto has its own time in the sun, that's when we'll start seeing the dump to goblin town. But I've not yet gotten to that time yet. I still believe crypto is going to be the final pump to the upside before everything crumbles. Two theories we are going to expect in 2026, two things we're expecting in 2026. We're expecting that relief rally, that pump to new all-time highs possibly, and then we'll eventually get a catastrophic dump to goblin town. But right now, good news is returning back to the cryptocurrency market. The bulls expect higher prices, but the bears are still eyeing a 50K bottom as analysts claim final flush still to come. Will the bulls be right? Will the bears be right? Only time will tell. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Are you buying altcoins right now? Are you selling those altcoins expecting one final flush down to goblin town? Where do you see Bitcoin heading to in 2026? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.